Does your iPhone screen say iPhone unavailable? Let's fix this issue with a few simple steps and uncover why this even happened in the first place. Try all the methods outlined in this video before you pay for an expensive repair. Method number 1. You can restore the iPhone by factory resetting it. Step 1. If you have a PC, make sure you have iTunes downloaded to your computer, and if you're using a Mac, you can simply use Finder to do this. Step number 2. Connect your iPhone to your machine using a USB cable. You will notice you don't see your iPhone recognized on the computer. Simply put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or later, including iPhone SE, 2nd gen and later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until you see the connect to computer screen. If you own an iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, and iPod Touch, press and hold the top and volume down buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the connect to computer screen. For iPhone 6s or earlier, including iPhone SE and iPod Touch, press and hold the home and top buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the connect to computer screen. Now on to step number 3. Once your iPhone connects to the computer, you will receive a pop-up that says, "There is a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored." You will need to select Restore and then click Restore and Update. At this point, your computer will download the latest version of iOS and restore your iPhone with this software. Once the restore process is complete, you will receive a pop-up that says your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. Step number 4. Walk through the setup process of the iPhone, and as you proceed, you will be asked if you would like to restore from backup. If you have a backup, choose Yes and let the iPhone retrieve its apps and settings. If you don't have a backup, then just proceed. Method number 2. Use the built-in Erase iPhone option. In order to use this option, you must meet the following 4 conditions. Condition number 1. On your iPhone lock screen in the bottom right, it should give you an option to erase iPhone. You may not see this right away, as a message on the lock screen must read iPhone unavailable, try again in 15 minutes or longer. So if it says any less time than 15 minutes, try to unlock the iPhone again until it reaches 15 minutes. Condition number 2. Find My iPhone needs to be activated on the iPhone. Condition number 3. The iPhone needs to be connected to the internet. And condition number 4. You will need to know your Apple ID password. If all these conditions are met, we may proceed to erase the iPhone. Step number 1. Start by clicking the Erase iPhone button on the bottom right part of the screen. Step number 2. On the next screen, you will be prompted to erase all content and settings. To proceed, click Erase iPhone again. Step number 3. Enter the Apple ID password to begin the erase process. This will take some time, and the iPhone will prompt you to set up. We hope this video helps you fix your iPhone unavailable issue. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe.